Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find friends on Spotify. So go for your Spotify app and in the search bar you have to search for your friends. So now you can see these all are songs. So you have to go for in this profile section and you can see all of this profile are here, so you have to find your friend from here, and after that you can connect with the person. So this is how you can find friends on Spotify. Hope this video helped you guys. If you did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.